Myrna from Quilter's Choice, APQS West, located in Colorado, and I want to talk to you about the Hartley expanded base. We put this on the throat of our machine when we're doing ruler work, or maybe you're going around applique and you want a little bit more control of your fabric. This one goes on my larger machines, and we also have one that's shorter that will fit on your Larry or Ellie. So to put the base on, it's very simple. You just bring it up under your leaders, slide it on, lift your hopping foot up a little bit, and just slip it right on. Now also, you might notice here that I've put a little strip of Velcro type material because sometimes they want to slip a little bit, so that makes them fit more securely to the throat space. So then, when you have your base on, you can just slide it right on to your fabric, and you're all set for your ruler. One of the things I do when I am doing ruler work is I might turn off my LED light because it gives a reflection on the ruler and sometimes it's hard to see. So I just reach up there and flip it off. I still have enough light to see, and I've also turned off the light on my throat if you have that light as well. So then I can manipulate my ruler, and I have a nice foundation to be able to do my ruler work, and I don't have to worry about running off the edge of my throat space, because when you run off it'll flip. So I like that nice foundation. So I can just move my ruler wherever I'm going to do my ditch work, or it could be a decorative ruler, whatever you're going to do. You're able to twist around to the back, to front, whatever you need to do with the expanded base. If I'm using my base, if I'm going around applique, quite often I like to put my fingers right down on the quilt by my hopping foot, and then I can just manipulate the fabric and keep it secure. But my base gives me such a nice foundation that my fingers can fit on and the palm of my hands fit on as well. To take my base off, it's simple. You just reach under your machine, get a hold of the edge of the base, and you might have to lift your hopping foot up a little bit again and pull it off. Just pulls right off like it went on. Here's the strip that I put on. Super easy to use, and these are available for the APQS machines, and we do have 2 different sizes available.